In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Uber Eats delivery account in the UK. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash or simply enjoy flexible working hours, setting up an Uber Eats delivery account is a straightforward process. I'll take you through each step at a comfortable pace, ensuring you understand each part clearly. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the official Uber website on your computer. Alternatively, you can download the Uber Driver app, which is available for both Android and iOS devices. Either option will get you started on the right path. Once you're there, look for the sign up option and click on it. This is your first step to creating that account. You'll then be asked to provide some personal details like your name, email address, and password. It's important to use an email that you check regularly, as Uber will send you important information and updates here. Be sure to choose a strong password as well, something that's not only memorable but also secure to keep your account safe. Next, ensure you're selecting the option for Uber Eats delivery. This will tailor the application to suit your delivery needs rather than those of a traditional Uber driving account. You'll then be prompted to agree to Uber's terms and conditions, which it's prudent to read carefully to fully understand what you're signing up for. Afterward, you'll have to provide some more specific information, including your postal address and the type of license you hold. Make sure your license is up to date, as it will be necessary to verify your identity. You'll also need to upload a photo of yourself. This should be a clear, full-face photo in decent lighting with no sunglasses or hats. It's important to make sure you are easily recognizable. Now comes the part where you'll need to provide some documents. Uber Eats in the UK requires a valid driver's license, your national insurance number, and proof of vehicle insurance. If you're using a scooter or bicycle, some requirements might differ. Be sure all documents are current and clearly photographed for easy review by Uber. Once your documents are submitted, it's time to do a quick background check. This is a standard procedure that helps keep Uber Eats safe for everyone. The check usually covers any criminal background and might take anywhere from a few days up to a week to process. While you wait, you can set up your payment details, selecting how you'd like to receive your earnings. Once everything is verified and approved by Uber, you're ready to start delivering. The Uber Driver app will become your headquarters as you receive delivery requests, navigate your routes, and track your earnings. And there you have it. You're all set to begin your journey as an Uber Eats delivery partner in the UK. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching and happy delivering.